fist, turn me up.
Yeah.
All the way to the left. Yeah, keep it there. Yo, dog, I won't lie and say I like you. I hate you from the heart. Matter of fact, I despise you. I hate you when everybody that likes you, and I'ma go ahead on everybody that looks like you. Vimba, yeah, I'm coming after you. Pull down your skirt, boy, I can see your ass. Niri koro madangani. Beefy eye, ready nigga, let me eat the rest. Boy, you sound funny, that's what Mac diss your ass. I'm not a vendor rapper, don't compare me with Killer G. If you're the Rastaman, hypocrite, who are you? Try not to use complicated lines, don't wanna lose you. Let me try and slow it down, I don't wanna lose you. The niggas in your team, they don't even want my time. Stop thinking you're the man and fall back in line. This is not a game, Misophilia, I'ma slap you. Bullying you and become Misophilia, I'm not scared of you. I'm dropping bombs like a brother, summer with me, boy. I'm spitting facts and you know you got none on me, boy. I know these vendor boys and girls, they like you. Probably cause they understand every word, they like that. Boy, I take you out the picture now for the shop. Damn, I don't even wanna talk no more. On second thought, scratch that, let me say more. I had you lost at the shima, how'd I feel, boy? No remorse, no apologies for doing this. We're not on the same level, so don't mistake this. It's cool when you diss and kill like cause you whack too. But me, with my lance, I'll dig a hole and bury you. I just took a giant step, see if you can follow me. Take your time, write something, say it back to me. This isn't even a diss, this is my expression. This isn't even a diss, this is my expression. And stop telling people you better than me, cause you ain't. And please, dog, if you're thinking of responding to this, let someone smart fight for you. Maybe Mac J. Or you know friends no more? My bad. And stop calling my phone.
Mandite huko ndinisende yini thi elani ya yena itakonda nifuna thi we're gonna use it for the album. It's tight.
And stop calling my phone.
And I'm gonna do something and send you for the mixtape. And I wish you can send that track in the gallery downloader.
And stop calling my phone.